Hey guys, my name is Kane Hensley. I'm a physical education teacher at Hope Schools. We're a very small 1A school, so I get to teach all K through 12. Um, I have kindergarten through ninth grade as regular PE classes, and then I get ninth through 12th grade as a weights class. I also have to teach health to the ninth grade, and I also incorporate it into some of my 8th grade classes. I'm married. I have two daughters, an 8-year-old and a 6-month-old, so we've been pretty busy lately. Along with teaching, I also coach high school girls basketball and junior high football. Some short-term goals, I would like to finish my master's, get my master's degree, and then kind of long-term with that, I'd like to be an athletic director, possibly an assistant principal somewhere. I know the two kind of go together in most schools. Um, what I hope to learn from this class is obviously more about curriculum, how to incorporate curriculum, and how to even go about incorporating new curriculum into school. Just what it all takes and what you all have to do to get a curriculum incorporated into your school. Good luck to you all this semester, and have a great year.